Just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys to my subscribers, okay? Thank y'all for tuning in, alright? So, as you guys can tell by the title, this video is basically going to be a get unready with me, okay? So, y'all know I got my little easy, kind of lightweight look going on right now. And I'm going to be taking off my makeup, okay, and basically overall just getting ready for bed. So I'm just gonna walk y'all through the steps of how I do that. I know you guys is like, my background is different. I'm actually in Mississippi. Hey, okay. So I'm just gonna show y'all. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show y'all how to take off my makeup. So you get you your choice of makeup wipe remover, or you could use just a regular hand towel and mild soap. So I'm just going to start with my little makeup removal towel so y'all can see. Okay. I had on some lip gloss, honey, but that did not last long. I didn't put on my brows today either, so let's work for me. Yeah, I never really mentioned anything about the new year, but I want to know what some of y'all New Year resolutions are. I just generally want to be overall better version of myself. Like, I want that to be my resolution. Ooh, honey, this lash wasn't trying to wait for nothing. It just wanted to come right on up, didn't it? But yeah, y'all, I just want to know some of y'all New Year's resolutions. Mine is to be like a better version of myself as far as my channel, because I think us content creators, we should set goals for our channel. Look at that lash coming off. Yeah, we should set goals for our channels, y'all. Now I am pretty close to 1,000 subscribers. My channel is moving so slow, you guys, and I know the reason why it's moving so slow is because I need to be more consistent with my content, with uploading my content, and I'm working on that, y'all. It's been the last couple of times that I haven't been consistent. It's been because of my equipment and software. So it's not that I have a job, or it's not that I'm in school anymore. So a lot of my time now goes into creating my content and posting my content. So I'm getting better, y'all. Okay, I'm getting better, honey, yes. But yeah, okay, so 1,000 subscribers. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers. I just want to get better with my views and with my interaction, as far as like my supporters. So yeah, guys, as far as my supporters, I want to do that. And then like personal, just be an overall better version of myself. now that we have removed our lashes, y'all, my lashes just coming out. I haven't been removing my lashes properly. I be getting oil, like any type of oil really. Oil, put it on a little Q-tip, and then remove the glue from my lashes. But lately I just been taking them off, which kind of pulls out your own lashes, which that's not really healthy for your skin or your hair. But anyways, don't do that. Basically, yeah, what was I talking about? Okay, so now that we removed our face, now we can move on to the hair. Now, I don't have anything here for my hair, but like once every 2 to 3 days I moisturize after taking my wig off. So I moisturize and just basically tend to my hair underneath the wig, and make sure that you have yourself a little do-rag or something silk to wrap your hair up. That way you can keep the moisture in, okay? So yeah, I'm going to take my wig off camera, because I don't want y'all to see my prison braids. I'm gonna take my wig off camera, then I'll be back, okay? Okay, you guys, so now that I have my wig off, honey, yes, I'm ready to go to sleep. Alright, so the only thing I have to do is take a shower, get in my pajamas, and lay it down. Alright, but no, New Year's resolution. I want to know some of y'all New Year's resolutions. Like I said, mine is just overall become a better person, like a better version of myself, making more content, being more frequent, being more active on my YouTube channel, as well as my other social accounts, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that stuff. Also, you guys, don't forget to check me out on those. I'll make sure I put that down in the description box below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, honey. Drop down what y'all New Year's resolution is, okay? And I'll see y'all later.